this is Jay. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create a filled maps. Cool. And so in the other videos we have seen like how to create a symbol maps, but let's check that how to create a filled map. Let me start with ideally, like when you hover, you're able to see that one geographical data is actually demanded to start with your filled maps. Parallelly, 0 or 1 measure is required. Let me start with state. Maybe that can be the right data to start with. I click state, look at it here, it has been available for me now. But ideally it's recommending to go with the symbol map, but ideally I would go with a filled map. Either you can directly choose here to get the filled map, if not you can choose this one. Again, when you are here, you can come here and then you can choose this way. Even this produces the filled map for you. Cool. This is an idea. Now on top of this map, so what I wanted to have is, let's take the state into colors. Different states should produce a different colors for you. You give colors, but that is not a right visualization to go with, because like those colors should talk about the measures or any of the other property rather than the state level property. Maybe if I choose a profit and then I put it into color, yeah, look at it here. Each and every state which is actually having a high densed blue color is actually having a high profit. The orange in color is basically talking about the high loss. Simple as that. Yeah, it's kind of getting a cool visualization, right? On top of it, maybe like, yeah, this is fine, but ideally I wanted to even talk about some more property. I'm talking about quantity now. I just drag and drop it. Look at it here. The color talks about the profit of it. The numbers within that is actually talking about the number of quantities which has been sold over those states. Simple as that. Some state is actually having only 4, some state is actually having 18. Yeah, it seems to, but still, just by making 4 quantity sales they made a profit. But ideally, even though making 3,700 quantity sales, they made a loss by 25,000 USD. That's kind of a strange visualization comes in there. It's kind of like making a better visualization in a better manner. On top of it, if you wanted to add like you wanted to change it flexibly, like sum of profit should also be there in the labels. Yeah, let it be colors. Finally, the sum of profit can be as a label. Sorry, yep, look at it here. Yeah, now it comes in along with the number of quantities that has been purchased. It gives you the sales of it along with that. Yeah, kind of a two properties been getting discussed here. It's kind of getting better, right? Kind of labels getting added. So if you don't want them, maybe like sometimes look at it here, some state value is been hidden here, so that because of we get the profit within that. So what we can do is we can add it to details. So when a person hovers it, they will able to see that. Simple as that. Cool. Then yeah, so this is what an idea of creating a simple filled map. See you in the next video with the other idea. Thanks for watching.